Open the app. Tap Xeno Plus. Tap Connect. Search for Bluetooth signals. Select the corresponding device to connect. Tap My Onboard Configuration. Select Joystick. Here you can view the center dead zone settings and edge settings. In the outline diagram, dark gray area indicates the joystick's active range. Light gray area indicates the joystick's dead zone. The center dead zone provides your controller with protection against accidental touches and drifts. The outer dead zone provides your controller with protection against over-input. If the joystick center position is not at 0, you can adjust the joystick center position here. Once connected to the app, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Here you can select the step precision. You can choose from adaptive, 32, 64, 128, or 256. Open the app. Tap Xeno Plus. Tap Connect. Search for Bluetooth signals. Select the corresponding device to connect. Tap Me Onboard Profiles. Once in the onboard profile settings, you can select the joystick here. Below, you can choose your joystick trigger action. Here, you can select the trigger sensitivity. Or the joystick value assigned to the trigger. Set to turbo. Tap Save. Once in the onboard profile settings, you can select the joystick here. Below, you will find the response curve. Here you can adjust and customize the joystick's trigger curve values. Once in the onboard configuration, you can select the joystick here. Select the edge shape here. Here you can choose between a rounded rectangle or a circle. On the Xeno Plus, you can use the local settings. To quickly set your joystick to 0 dead zone, simply press the FN button, along with the joystick button you want to set to 0 dead zone. To quickly set this joystick to 0 dead zone mode, please note, although joystick is set to 0 dead zone, please do not forget to set the joystick dead zone to 0 in the controller options within your game's settings. Also, some games may have a built-in dead zone, which could prevent your 0 dead zone mode from working properly. Xeno Plus comes with 0 dead zone mode as the default factory settings.